We will evaluate an integral using a clean trig substitution. Here is the integral. The integral of 1 over x times the square root of x squared minus 1 dx. Notice the pattern square root of x squared minus 1. Use the substitution x equals secant theta. Then dx equals secant theta times tangent theta, d theta. And the square root of x squared minus 1 becomes tangent theta. Now substitute everything. The integral becomes the integral of 1 over secant theta times tangent theta, multiplied by secant theta times tangent theta d theta. The common factors cancel, leaving simply the integral of d theta. This integrates immediately. We get theta plus c. Finally, convert theta back to x. Since x equals secant theta, theta equals arcsecant of x. Therefore, the integral equals arcsecant of x plus c.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.